So in this video, we will be discussing that how we can print out any table while using PHP. So this is very simple. We'll be using just a single loop in which we will print this table. But before doing that, you have to access this playlist, PHP playlist. This will be a complete series from scratch. Now let's jump into VS Code. So first you need to open your XAMPP and run these two, Apache and MySQL. I have already run it, so you need to run them both. Now let's remove this from here, just this one, and this is the basic syntax of PHP. Now we need to create two variables for creating tables. So by the name of $, and let me give a name table, and by default I will give it a value of 20 because I want to print from 1 to 20 any table, and the table will be stored in num. Suppose I want to print whose table. I want to print whose table from 1 to 20. So we have 20 numbers. For that we have to run a loop. So here for, and I will be store all the values from 1 to 20 after updating, and first time it will have to be 1, and now we'll check if the condition is true or not. So $I less than equal to num, not num table, with $. Okay, and after that we will have to update I. Now within this body we'll use the formula for table. So first we need to declare here a variable by the name of product, and this variable will store end result of this formula. So here I will be multiplied with num. This number has 2. First time when loop runs, it has I has 1, and it will be checked right here, and it is true. So 2 into 2 multiply 1, and it will be 2, and it will be stored in this product. Now let's print it, and we use echo statement, and here I will use $, first num that has 2 into, I will use $I equal to result, and result is stored within product. Okay, after that I will use another echo for break, because we have multiple lines, so we have to break each line. So we use in PHP within angle brackets BR, it will break. So what will happen? We have two variables. First one for table that has 20 values, and the second one num, it has the table that we want to print. For this we have to run a loop because it's from 1 to 20. So first time I has 1, and it has been checked right here that first time when it's run, if this I has true value, it means it's less than table or not. So first time it is true, and it will be come here, and it will be use this formula, and it will be stored this result, and this result will be printed at first iteration. After that this I will be updated. So first time it has 1, now 1 will be updated to 2, because 1 plus 1 it will be 2, and it will be checked condition is true, and it will be use this formula and store the result within this. So first time 2 into 1, that has stored 2. Second time it will be 2, so 2 into 2 it will be 4, and it will be running until the condition is false, means 20. So let me Control S and go to your browser and just reload it. So it show me this URL was not found. So let me use here local, type here local host, what was the folder name, PHP tunes, enter. So let me zoom it out. So reload, and we have this tut 5. So here we have an error, so we have made some mistake on line 7. So let's check it out. On line 7, what we mean is line 7, I think that was a mistake. Okay, Control S. So there is, I think there is no mistake, just this one. So you don't need to give it space because it is a condition less than equal to. So Control S so that it could be saved. After that, go to your browser and reload. As you can see here, we have 2 into 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, up to 2 20s are 40. So if you want to print another table, so just change the value of this num. So suppose I want to print table 10, Control S and go to your browser, reload. As you can see here, we have printed successfully from 1 to 20 10 tables. So in that way you can use PHP to print table.